Did you know your BenQ board has a built-in AI assistant that can help teachers instantly generate ideas, explanations, and learning content? Let me show you how to use the Ask AI feature on the BenQ board. To start, open the Ask AI feature from BenQ board interface. Once open, you will see a prompt box where you can type your question or request. For example, a teacher can type a question like, "Explain the water cycle for class 5 student." Within seconds, the AI generates a clear and a simplified explanation that teachers can directly use in the classroom. Teachers can use Ask AI to explain difficult concepts, generate summaries, create classroom questions in different forms like MCQs, short questions, long questions, with and without answers. Get teaching ideas instantly. This saves time and makes the teaching more interactive. You can also ask the AI to generate quiz questions or classroom activities. For instance, create 3 quiz questions on the solar system. The AI instantly provides ready-to-use questions for students. The generated content can easily be used on the whiteboard for further explanations or discussions with the student. Teachers can annotate, highlight, or expand the explanation using the BenQ Whiteboard tool. With the Ask AI feature on BenQ board, teachers can simplify lesson planning, generate ideas instantly, and make classroom more interactive. BenQ boards are designed to support teachers with smart tools for smarter learning.